Hi everyone, thanks for joining my channel. So today we are going to review end of day price action analysis for 29th of September 2025. So let us start. So first we'll mark the previous day high and low. So this is for 26th of September. So let me mark that. Okay. Let's see how it goes. So the first bar is a black bar, so price just open and close, no clear direction either way. But if you have seen the previous day, there's a lot of inefficiencies that you can see here and then here, right? Because price has not been tested many areas clearly. Yeah, so let's see. This is the first bar. Okay, so next bar is a bull bar. So buyers, they have bought. There's no clear direction yet. Okay, next bar is a bull bar. Again, it's inside bar now, so no clear direction, so nothing much to do. This is a 5 minutes chart, by the way. Next bar, yeah, so this is a little bit of breakout within this range. You can see the range, right? So this is the range high, 744, and the range low is 668. So if bulls, they can buy, probably it can go a little bit higher till this 743 level. Yeah, 3 back-to-back bull bar. So this is good for the buyers. And yeah, if they can buy, it can go a little bit higher. Yeah, till this 742 level. Yeah, they're buying. So it's though it's still inside this range, but still it should reach this level if new information, which could be the sellers, they can sell anytime. But yeah, I'm still expecting this level to be taken out. Yeah, good. It's been taken out. So now, sorry, if you have seen, there are back-to-back 3, 4, 5 bars, right? So then if you do a price projection, should like something like this, right? So price can go higher. Yeah. But what is the case for seller? It's on the range high. So always I tend to see what buyers can do, what sellers can do. Yeah, that's how to read the market. It's not a setup or strategy that I'm explaining here. This is bar by bar, what you can expect on the next bar. So I'm still expecting price to reach that level that I have shown. But at the same time, I'm also aware that price could reverse. Yeah. But it all depends on price action, how it unfolds. So let's see. Yeah, sellers, they have sold. But this is not a strong sell. So after this bar, I'm still expecting buyers below this bar, below this black bar. Yeah, so buyers, because this is the first sale, buyers should bought, so they have bought. So let's see if it can reach this level and then this level. If not, then we'll reassess the situation. Yeah, buyers, they have bought a little bit. So anyone who have bought here, we just need to hold this, right? sellers, they have sold. But what sellers are doing, if you see, sellers are just at this breakout level 755, they are just testing that level, right? It's nothing more than that. It's not a strong sell yet. Okay, it's a decent sell now. So what sellers are doing now? So if you are a buyer, can you exit? Yeah, you can exit below this bar, but then you should be prepared or ready to buy again. Yeah. But I'm still expecting buyers a little bit below. But with this sell, sellers probably would take out this bar low, this one, this level. Let me draw here quickly. Right. This low should be taken out. Because if you see, this is kind of strong trend. Slowly, it's kind of a weak channel phase. It should be taken out. If this black bar low is taken out, then this low should be taken out. Yeah, let's see. We might find a immediate reversal as well. Yeah, see what has happened. So if you are seller, you always, I always prefer to put a trade below the bar or above the bar, which is a stop entry. Yeah. There are other kind of limit entries that I use, but obviously this is in this kind of situation, you should try stop entry. So if you see your short trade shouldn't have triggered, right? So because this bar, this black bar 1005, this low is not taken out. Yeah. So what you can expect now? So price is slowly moving into this tight range. If it cannot break upside, so probably I'm expecting seller, or I can expect a strong buy above this because I'm still expecting price to reach here if it can. Yeah. What else I can see based on this chart? Yeah, this high, right? This bar, if you see previous day, 110, this bar high should be taken out first. So this is finely aligned with this 75% level. Let's see. Okay, good. That's kind of a very strong buy now. So now this is kind of exhaustion bar. So if it can follow a little bit more, it can reach to this level, which is good. Good for the buyers. Very weak sell, so I wouldn't worry on this one that this can reverse the market at the moment. Yeah, this is little bit better sell, but still, if you see, I'll quickly draw. You're slowly becoming this kind of trend line, right? Until it's broken and proven otherwise. So I'm expecting buyers. It's a very weak sell. I'm still expecting buyers. So now after 3 or 4 bear bar, my expectation was that I was looking for buyers. So after 3 or 4 bars, I'm still thinking that if bears can get one more good bar below, then I'll see. But at the moment, it's kind of little bit kind of range or this kind of level, if you see. So I'm still expecting buy. I'm not looking for a sell because this is very strong buy. If you see that this is where the probability, because you need to think about these price action charts in terms of probability, that what is your probability to have next bar or next move, and you need to think in probabilistic mindset. Yeah. So sometime price can just reverse from here like this. But what is the probability after how many bars? I guess 10, 15 bars in a strong trend. Yeah, the reversal to this level, yeah, it can happen, but the probability at the moment is very low until it's proven otherwise. Yeah, because this level also not been taken out. Though one of the important level that we are discussing earlier, this level, this 110 bar high, this level been taken out. So these are critical level that we have been discussing in previous videos as well. So let's see. At the moment, if this bar would have closed, that 1035 bar would have closed. I mean, this bar has been closed. Sorry, this bar would have been closed almost low of the bar. I mean, the bar low and bar close almost equal. Then probably I would have thought that, yeah, probably it's a strong sell. But at the moment, I don't think it's a strong sell. But let's see. Yeah, so as expected, there are buyers. But now, as I can see, the buyers are also weak. It's not a strong buy yet. Yeah, sorry, I draw this by mistake. That you can see. I mean, we don't need to draw this, but hopefully with your eye, naked eye analysis, you should be able to see how prices are moving. So I'm expecting a breakout above. Let's see. So I didn't get that. Okay. So it's a low side breakout. Now after this, probably what is the argument for seller? Yeah, it's good little sell out here. So price could go a little bit lower, but for the buyers, this is a buying area. And this sale, because these three bar, if you see, these are overlapping. So in my mind, these are not a good sale for me. This is again buying area. Yeah, so now after this bar, if you see, this is a kind of clear breakout now. Yeah, so you see, it's just broken below this level, testing this level. So now price could go a little bit lower. If, because you can always get new information, right? So in your mind, you were thinking that yes, price could go a little bit lower. This level is still not tested. Price could go a little bit lower because there are inefficiencies here. These are gaps. Yeah. So price definitely could go till this level. But you could always get new information and price could go higher, right? You can get the reversal up. Just give me a moment. Sorry. So let's see what next bar shows. So like we were saying that it could go a little bit lower, but now we get new information that buyers, they are willing to buy. But what we think that after this first buy, there should be sellers above because of this strong trend here. Yeah. So let's see. This is against our expectation that we were thinking that there should be sellers above, but now you get new information again. You are getting buyers. Yeah. So this is a kind of decent breakout, and this is a buyer's area. Yeah. So price could go a little bit higher. So it went a little bit higher, but it got rejected. I think this level should be tested, this 767. I don't know if it can reverse as well, but that is the expectation. So it has reversed, right? So it looks like this trend is holding. So price should now, after this breakout, what is the sellers, what they can do? Price could come down to this level, 724. For buyers, they can buy anytime because this is kind of buyer's area. I mean, after these two green bar, I mean, the bulls, they have tried these two bars. So you can get another leg higher, right? But after this sale, I'm thinking, price could come a little bit lower. This is a good area for sell as well. So it came a little bit lower. So it can come down and test this low and then this area, if it can. It's not a strong buy at this bar, so it still can come down. Still can come down. So this is where you need to hold your trade if you are in. See, that's how it is. Like, this is kind of good swing trade. This is a good swing trade if you want to enter it there anywhere. I'm not discussing entries here. So now price has tested this level, and with this breakout, is if it cannot reverse immediately, it can come a little bit lower and can test this low. And this is how the trade is. I mean, this is how the day trading should look like, that you anticipate, and if it works, then you manage your trade correctly. But let's see how it happens. Yeah, how it unfolds. I don't know what the next bar is. Yeah, sometime you can draw volume profile here to see the levels, but I don't think you need that. You can go down to 1 minute, or you don't need that. You can see the levels clearly, 685 and then this level. Yeah, so let's see if price breaks down below. Okay, so it's broken. After all this, I'm expecting now this low, 629, to be taken out. But I don't know yet, if it will be or there would be reversal. But it's very high probability, because if you see it's already 11:30, right? That's how your thought process should be on day-to-day basis, that it went up, came down. Do you expect another, it will go again here? Yeah, it can go. But if it is this close to this level, previous day low, this low should be taken out. But you never know. And that's how it is. So it's not a strong reversal here. You should never buy above this kind of bar. If it goes higher also, it has very low probability. Yeah, so again, yeah, decent breakout below. And you should, try to not to enter here. You should have entered somewhere here and try to manage your trade and take a profit. And that's how you can increase your probability distributed and everything. Yeah. Okay, next bar. Not a good buy, but slowly buyers, they're trying to buy here. I didn't see a decent, strong buy yet. No, it's not a good buy. They're trying to buy, but if you see, there are wicks above the candlestick or bar, so not a good buy yet. But slowly, let's see if they can buy. But still, I'm thinking this level should be taken out, but I don't know. Yeah, sellers, they have sold. So at this is kind of middle of this range. Can you see a trading range? You should be able to see all this trading range. What has happened in this area? You should be able to read this price action. People say these are noise. These are not noise. So this is kind of, excuse me, for my drawing, but these are. So what has happened in this bar? Sellers, they have sold. Yeah. They are trapped. Buyers, they have bought. Yeah. So what has happened on this bar? This one, 12 o'clock bar. Yeah. So probably seller who have sold here, they have exited. So that's why you got this week. So, typically I have seen, in this area, these are areas. Yeah. So if you see here, buyers, they have bought. Buyers, they have bought. Second time when price came here and this bar, 950. Right. So buyers again bought and little bit went above. Price went above. Yeah. On this level, 758, buyers, whoever has bought, they got trapped. Again came here. Yeah. And then went up. But here, if you see sellers who have sold, came here, and on this bar, 12 o'clock bar, the sellers, they probably exited. But you can get, because they have bought. For sellers to exit, what they need to do? They need to buy, right? And if they buy, what price does? Price goes above, right? So that's why this week is. But seller can sell again, right? Where they can sell? They can sell on top of this range, or they can sell here, anywhere, yeah, on these weeks. Let's see. seller they have sold. Yeah. So now after this sale, it looks like, so you can do the reverse analysis as well, right? The buyers who have bought here, someone has bought, right? This pin bar, what people call, right? Pin bar, this kind of shape. They have bought, they got trapped. They got trapped, 671, this level. They got trapped. What happened at this bar, 1155 bar? 1155 bar, what has happened that whoever bought here after this black bar, they got, I mean, were they happy or they were sad? They got disappointed, right? So so they were thinking that if they can exit break even, so they have exited at this bar 1155. If they exit, what they need to do? They need to sell. So because of that, they are selling this week at 1155 bar. That week's been created, right? So if they are exiting there, what's happening on 1205 bar? Yeah. So probably there are no more buyers in this area, because buyers whoever bought here, they have exited on this bar, and now it's kind of there's no more buyer. Yeah. And now price can, but yes, always you need to remember there are no more buyers, but buyers always can come back in because this is a range low. But if they don't come in, then probably price needs to come down to this level and maybe below. I don't know. No one knows. We can just analyze the price action and we can anticipate. Yeah. And that's how you can build your edge and increase your probability risk to reward and have a successful trading. Okay, let's see what next bar does. Yeah, it went below. Buyers they have bought, but at this level, I'm still expecting it's very close to this level. Should be taken out. Again, if you see what has happened on this bar, this week, long week, what has happened? Buyers who have bought here, they sold here, like we explained. Yeah. Probably at this level, there are still more buyers left. Again, they have sold, so they're just exiting. So now it's very high probability that price should go here. But that's being said, it's just high probability. There is no 100% certainty that price will go. Yeah. So buyers, again, they have bought here. So what I'm expecting on top of this, but I'm expecting seller until it's broken out clearly. Again, buyers, they have bought. I'm expecting seller again, but after two bull bars, that probability of getting seller is low, but still I'm expecting seller if they can come down. Or what seller need to do, probably it will go higher and then come back. Okay, seller, they have sold. So now what price is doing, can you see? You need to constantly analyze this, what's been doing. So it's a good breakout, slowly in the channel phase. Sorry. Slowly in the channel phase. So after this, it's kind of within, this price is kind of stuck between these levels, right? Whichever way you want to draw. Let me delete this, I guess. But I was just drawing this. Typically, I don't need to draw this because if you practice it enough, you will see all these levels, and these are very critical, important for your price action analysis. Yeah, let's see what the next bar is. Yeah, so like as expected, this level is taken now. That is good, right? So this level is taken, like we are discussing, that this has a high probability going down here. With this breakout, what price can do? So if you see, this is a good, the size of the bar that you need to see. How many bars this thing is, this whole trend is maybe 15, 20 bars, I'm not counting. This is a good big size bar below. So buyers can come anytime, or you can get a big breakout. Yeah. So you don't typically don't try to sell here, because the pattern of the, because you should sell here. This is a profit taking area. But situation can change if you price action tell you otherwise. Yeah, so price going down a little bit. It's not a strong buy at this bar. Yeah, it's okay buy, but what price can do? Price can go a little bit higher if it breaks above, or it can sell again at this area because of the price action rule that we follow. Because again, this is a trend line, right? Always try to think about price action rules. These are pretty much generic, that what price can do or cannot do. Yeah. So it's broken out on this trend line. Back to back 3 bull bar. What it can do? It should reach to this level. These are critical points. 654. You see this big bar? Top of this bar is kind of resistance. Yeah. So it should go to this level until you get a new information. Sometimes you just get a new information that you are expecting to this level to be tested, but suddenly you get a big black bar. Then you can't do anything. You just need to manage your trade appropriately so that you manage your loss or profit, right? So as expected, this level taken out, this level is taken out, right? But now, can price go here, let's say? I mean, in my mind, the probability is very less. But yeah, price can do whatever it had to do, yeah? But what I am thinking now, price probably testing this range high. But this is for the seller's perspective, that if it is testing this range high, I probably would look for a selling opportunity because there are inefficiencies here, right? These are gaps. Not traditional gap, but there are gaps. But after this big bar, price can go a little bit higher. It probably can test here 735 level as well. That is for the buyer's perspective. You always have two perspectives. One is for buyer, one is for seller. Yeah. So the buyer story is it can go here. And where is the day open? That is another thing. So day open is here, right? 711. Is this day open? 915. Yes. So this level. Let me draw this level also. Let me make it something a little bit different with visibility wise. Where is the style? Oh dear. Arrow. Text visibility. I don't know how to do it. Extend, don't extend. Anyway, leave it. But this level, I'll probably do some other color, right? Maybe red. I don't know. Red. Yeah. So these are the levels for buyers, right? This level is already tested. First was this level that we are discussing, 651. Then this is a kind of range high. Range yet to, I'm expecting there would be a range, yeah? Because that's what price structure is. And then this is a day high, the open of the day. And then if it can break here, then here. And then we'll see. But at the same time, there could be seller here because this is, I'm expecting range high. And for buyers, as these are strong buy, it can go up. So this is everything. I mean, you need to analyze within 1 or 2 minutes because this is a 5-minute chart. And slowly, when you practice, you will get to this level. I mean, it's pretty easy. I mean, it's not that difficult. People say price action and everything is difficult, but when you practice, it becomes permanent. So it is not difficult. Okay, so let's see what happens. So these were my expectations that I explained, but I don't know. I'm okay for any situation, and I'll make sure that I manage my trade correctly, so that my probability is toward everything stays on my side. Yeah. So let's see. Sellers, they have sold. So looks like this trading range is holding, but is it a good sell? I'll move this a little bit here so that. Yeah, it's a okay sell. Again, what this sellers is doing, this testing this low, this bar low. Yeah. So at this moment, I mean, this is not a strong sell because there's a big wick there. Yeah. So I'm expecting buyers anywhere on this close or low of the bar, this black bar. I'm expecting buyers, but let's see. So buyers, if you see immediately, can you see a gap? So price, when it's closed here on this bar, what bar it is? 105. Before, I mean, and you watch the next bar open, you see a difference, right? The close of this bar and open of this bar, there is a gap or difference in the price. So bulls, the buyers, they were so strong. They were thinking that, no, it's not a right area to sell. So they bought. So now, I guess reaching to this level and this, I mean, this is open of the day, and then this level, probability becomes very high. But again, you always can get the new information that seller can sell. Yeah. But the expectation is now buyer should go here. Let's see. Seller again, it's a new information. Seller, they have sold. Is it a strong sell? No, in my mind, it's not a strong sell. So slowly, if you see, I don't know why it's coming red now. Probably I have changed. That's why. I'll change it to blue. Yeah, the trend line. So I'm expecting buyers. So buyers, they have bought, right? Based on price action rule. These are simple price action rule. Yeah. They have bought. What you can expect on top of this, but I'm expecting this level to be tested. So I'm expecting higher price. Seller can sell, but still I'll expect higher price if the sell is not that strong. I also know this is a trading range. Sell buyers, they have bought. So this is a kind of weak follow through, but still a follow through. Now this red line to be taken out, and then this line as well, this bar high. I don't know if I draw this, right? Key level, I don't know how, right? Let's see if it goes here. Yeah, so now if you see the day open, right? This level been taken out now on this bar, I believe. Yeah. So what is price doing now? The trend is getting stronger, right? 3 bull bar. So it should go here. If seller cannot sell, it should go here. So now if anyone entered, in this area on this retracement or here, yeah, you just need to hold your trade. Let's see if seller can sell. Though I'm expecting that key level to be taken out now. And where was my fib level? Oh, sorry, I have already drawn, right? This fib level, do you remember? We have drawn this previously, but I moved it this side so that I can see my price clearly. So this is another level. Let's see if it can go here, go there. What's the time now? 1:30. Okay, still you have. So now it's a big bear bar. Yeah. Not strong enough, but this is, I mean, the close is not strong enough. But after this bar happened, if buyers, they can't buy quickly, then probably price should just consolidate in a range. This range probably expanded here, price would come down around here, right? But let's see if still can give another try to go here. Yeah, but they need to buy quickly. They bought, it's not a strong buy. So I'm expecting sellers above. So sellers, they have sold. Yeah, bulls they have bought now, but slowly it's reaching on this high. So that's the problem for bull. If they can buy a little bit higher, this is all about trade management, right? After you see this, if you buy here, you need to move your stop loss somewhere, but you can still expect this level to be taken out until new information comes in, which could be a big black bar, right? So now if you see this level slowly going, I believe it has reached, I don't know, trading view always show this level here. So it's kind of blocking the view. So this key level probably taken out very close. So now slowly but surely it's probably reaching this level if it doesn't get reversed. Slow reversal, I mean weak reversal. I'm still expecting a little bit higher prices. So at this bar, black bar, I'm expecting buyer should buy. They have bought weak buy. Let's see if buyers can buy one more time. Yeah, they're trying to buy. Let's see if they can buy. Yeah, they're buying. So now this key level is clearly taken out. This level, right? It's clearly taken out. Price could go a little bit higher. Let's see if it can go. What else I can see? Yeah, I'm not expecting price to go here. Can it? What is the probability this 792 level to be taken out? Previously, I have drawn this level, right? Based on this, I'm not expecting that from here price would go here, because why I'm not expecting, again, the probability, right? It's kind of price went here, came down here. Price, I'm not expecting, these are very rare days if price goes these many bars, break the low, again these many bars and break the high. If you do your analysis for any of the index market, including Nifty, I don't think you will find that price does this very often. So this is the probability, right? So I'm expecting this level to be taken out and then probably price could reverse. But again, you need to follow the price action. That is my expectation. So yeah, so as expected, slowly price kind of reversing. So probably this level, this is what buyers could do best, looks like. Bears for sellers, they still need one more bar to see that if they can sell, or buyers can buy here a little bit more. Yeah, buyers again buying slowly is getting into a trading range. Yeah, and you are getting into what, last 45 minutes of the day. Price then again is kind of selling here. So because this is trading range, right? So trading range, what price does, you buy below and sell above, right? That's what price does. That's the price action rule. Okay, sold. Like we discussed that this taking out this level is very unlikely. So it's following that. What price can do? Price can test this level, 673. This level can be tested because this is a strong sell. Let's see if it can come here, or price. Sometime you get immediate new information, which is the reversal, and it could be big bar on the opposite side. So this level taken out, like we discussed. Yeah, it's taken out. And then you are almost end of the day. I mean, then I tend not to analyze that last few hours, but let's see. So it's a good, I mean, this breakout, it can come a little bit lower, but it's the end of the day. So it can immediately reverse or do whatever it had to do. So yeah, it's kind of, yeah, it's following. So it's a kind of, if you see, immediately you can see, right? You don't need to draw this level, but you can see this is kind of a move based on the size. So it reached here. So and that's how it is. I mean, then it's become low of the day. Nothing much to analyze then. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, thanks for joining and my channel and watching the video. Hope you like it and hope you learn something which you can practice and which would improve your day trading. Yeah. Thank you.